In this video, we will introduce the usage of the Kairos Control Room Assistant and its user interface for the control room operators. It's been a long road from the first release till today's version, involving human factors designers and control room operators. Behind the front end is a digital twin representing operationalized process expertise from the plant and connected to real-time data from the control and safety system. Control room operators get decision support for the situational management process and help to understand what is really happening. And when there is a process deviation and instrumentation moves outside of the normal operating limits or fail. When there are no observations, the screen will show a green, slow, pulsating circle that tells the operators that the system is alive and that the plant is running within its operational limits. When an observation is detected, the display will change into a single display showing the findings. The total screen will trigger user attention. The first thing to look at is the observation part at the bottom of the screen. These are process sensors with deviations from normal state. Our sensor evaluator will detect anomaly behavior and alert with observations. We stream these real-time measured deviations into the digital twin, where they act as evidence in the operationalized AI knowledge framework. If you select one of these observations, you can see a trend curve and look at what the trend is and where it is deviating from the normal. The operator can choose to look into each observation. The uniqueness in the technology and engine behind it is that we use the collective combination of multiple observations to build evidence for the root cause analytics of the deviation. On the left side of the screen, the root causes are presented and ranked by a number of supporting observations. All possible root causes are available to broaden the operator's view of the situation, and it will be possible to scroll down on the list to find those with less evidence supporting it. This is to make sure that the operator is not locked into only one root cause to evaluate. On the right side of the screen, we have listings of consequences for each of the selected root cause from the left-hand side. These consequences are possible propagations in the plant, meaning things that can happen in the future. They are rated and ranked based on specific algorithms from the digital model. To handle a situation before it escalates to possible consequences, the system provides a guidance of steps to be taken. Mitigations. As the control room assistant is a guidance tool, all actions are to be taken on the control system. First step is to look at the suggestions for the operator to verify the root cause selected. This can be done with support from the field operations or other means of information available. The feedback from the verification step will be used to change ranking of causes, more or less likely. Next step will be to consult the suggestions of what to do to correct the root cause selected. The mitigation steps address what to do to be able to handle the current immediate situation. If the consequence is shut down, you might want to mitigate before looking for root cause. Otherwise, the operator can consult the suggestions for what to do to mitigate consequences related to the root cause selected, while waiting for the final correction of root cause.